Hello guys, so here's Shikha and today I visited Pant Park for an event named Eco Brick Training Workshop which was concluded under the Neel Gagan Purvanchal Abhiyan organized by the United Youth Association of Purvanchal under the leadership of Narayan Dutt Pathak and Abhishek Singh ji. In this workshop, approx hundreds of students have taken participate and there they learn how to manage plastic waste and converting it into eco brick in order to conserve our environment. The main aim of this program is to explaining the youths how to minimize plastic waste and what steps should be taken individually to reduce the plastic waste, and that they also organized rangoli competition and poster making competition which was themed on environment conservation and also given certificates to all those participants, and that they are also conducting many more programs. As I inform you, on the 8th of November they are also organizing a speech and singing competition in KV Tower. So if you want to participate, just comment down and I'll give you the link for the form. Okay, bye, thanks.
कर रहा है कि नहीं कर रहा है, ये मत देखिए और मत सोचिए, ठीक है। आप अपनी पर्यावरण के प्रति जो आप हुआ है, पर्यावरण के प्रति अपनी जिम्मेदारी को महसूस करते हुए आप अगर चाहें तो आप अपने मतलब इसको भी ऐसा मतलब